Here we go. Let's try out the Drill Master heat gun unboxing. You get the heat gun and instruction manual. Instruction manual. Drill Master heat gun, 1500 watt dual temp. So you get a heat gun with high and low. There we go. We're going to try and use it for fixing this here crack. Since I don't have an extra hand, I don't have my GoPro. There's the crack, and I'll come back to you and see if it worked. Okay, there you go. This crack was definitely repaired. This needs to be smoothed out and cleaned up, but it is definitely working. This heat gun, I say. There's the backside. Drill Master from Harbor Freight. If I remember correctly, got this for $9.99. I believe I had a coupon for 30% off when I picked this up. High and low settings. It's not super hot, but it'll do the job for most people. I have another gun from Craftsman. It's almost overkill, almost too much hot. So yeah, you hit the up, low setting, and high setting. So there you go. I would say this thing works. It's very lightweight, probably cheaply made, but for that price you could buy 5 of them. Buy 5-6 of them for maybe even more for a good one. But the last cheap gun I had, I think it was under $20, but it lasted me for years, probably 2 or 3 years, until it fried itself out on the inside. And I picked this up to try and see what it would do, and I give it a thumbs up. Good price. Definitely works for the jobs I need it to do. And yeah, there you go. Like, subscribe, make comments down below if you've ever had one, if you're looking for one. Go ahead and leave comments or questions, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, gang, final look. The heat gun did its job, so I was able to complete the job. I'd say it did great. Like I said, I cannot say it'll last forever. May not be the most bulletproof heat gun ever, but it definitely made my job work out. So there you go. Beautiful, another beautiful finish. This is the conclusion of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and come back again later.